मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती थी कि मैं यूएसए का वीजा ले सकती हूँ। Yes. They asked me
Yes.
कि you studied in science field and why you suddenly choose
To go with this
IT sector.
IT sector. Normally people say the US visa is completely dependent on the luck. No,
No.
I disagree. Hi everyone, welcome to this very special show where we discuss the success stories of the students, and today we have Priya with us. She has just got the visa for USA and the name of the university is Alliant International University.
Yes.
Heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
So let me show her passport to you. So this is the passport of Priya, and you can clearly see the visa for United States of America. Bright colors, bright passport.
Thank you so much,
The
sir.
future is very bright now.
Yes, sir.
No, it was just like a. There are two phases actually. एक वो phase है जिसमें we are struggling to get the visa.
Yes, sir.
We have the family pressure.
Yes,
We have
sir.
the pressure from the friends. Someone who has already stuck in the Australian visa, उसके बाद वहाँ से file withdraw करना.
Yes.
And एक second phase आता है जिसमें ये passport हमें बिल्कुल हमारे सामने दिखता है.
Yes, sir.
With the United States of America visa.
Yes.
And there is a dramatic change.
Yes,
Which
sir.
you would have observed.
Yes.
एक वो प्रिया जो पहले ऑस्ट्रेलिया में स्ट्रगल किया ऑस्ट्रेलिया वीजा के लिए,
Yes.
देन यूएस के लिए 3-4 महीने स्ट्रगल किया.
Yes, sir.
So much of pressure. एक वो प्रिया the who is taking the visa, who is sitting with the visa.
Yes.
So how you feel like?
So I'm feeling so much happy today. ये पॉसिबल हुआ है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ आईबीटी ओवरसीज. बिकॉज मेरे को मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती थी कि मैं यूएसए का वीजा ले सकती हूँ, क्योंकि
So
मेरा
इनका
6 ईयर का गैप था ना आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन.
Goodness, फिर तो सोचना गलत था ना कि यूएस का वीजा मिलेगा.
Yes,
if you had
yes.
such a long gap of around
Yes,
6
sir.
plus years.
Yes. So मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट के लिए अप्लाई करूंगी, लेकिन मैं एक दिन आईबीटी के लिए स्क्रॉल कर रही थी इंस्टाग्राम
Okay.
पे, तो आई केम टू नो अबाउट आईबीटी ओवरसीज. देन मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स आईबीटी से वीजा ले रहे हैं
अच्छा.
यूएसए का विद
क्या?
गैप. सो मेरे को लगा कि यस मैं भी ले सकती हूँ, मेरा भी गैप है, तो फिर अगर और स्टूडेंट्स ले सकते हो तो मैं भी ले सकती हूँ.
So हमें मिस्टर जो बाइडेन द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका का थैंकफुल होना
Yes.
चाहिए बिकॉज दे डू द जस्टिस.
यस सर.
Justice, I would say, because this much of gap of more than 6 years,
यस
then
सर.
BSc non-medical, फिर data analytics जैसे प्रोग्राम में वीजा देना,
यस
मतलब उनको I would say they respect the human beings,
यस
they
सर.
respect the knowledge,
Yes,
they
sir.
respect the profile of yours.
यस
So
श्योर.
तभी हमें ये वीजा मिला है. And USA is the only country which says there is no foundation, there is no age group. I have seen one person, he was 64 years old and he got the visa, F1 visa. एज रहती है 17 to 70 years तक. Anyone can apply.
Yes,
So that means US वालों को टैलेंट की कदर है और वही कदर हुई है आज प्रिया की.
बट वो कदर को बाहर लेके आप ही आते हो, आईबीटी ओवरसीज वाले लेके आते
So
हैं.
अगर आप तारीफ करना चाहते तो अच्छे से करें. I'm really so grateful.
यस सर.
Right?
बिकॉज कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता है ना, लेकिन जैसे आप इंस्टाग्राम पे सबकी सक्सेस स्टोरीज डालते हो, सक्सेस स्टोरीज, सो वहां से पता चलता है सबको कि हाँ हम भी कर सकते हैं.
I feel so privileged to sit over here and talk to you because you're just exchanging the words which are invaluable, I would say. So
Okay.
really thanks to you because आप जैसे स्टूडेंट्स ही हैं जो एक चेन बनाते हैं. चेन का मतलब कि आप 10 को बताएंगे, वो आगे 10 को बताएंगे, and this is how we make reputation. No false promises, complete transparent dealing. और ये स्टडी वीजा में होना पॉसिबल नहीं था, बट हम जैसे यंगस्टर्स ने, ऐसी कंपनीज ने लोगों को दिखाया कि यस विद द ट्रांसपेरेंट डीलिंग्स हम सक्सेस ले सकते हैं. और वो सक्सेस आपके सामने है इन द शेप ऑफ प्रिया. सो प्रिया कहाँ पे इंटरव्यू था आपका?
सर मेरा इंटरव्यू मुंबई में हुआ था.
मुंबई में.
यस
So the audience is very keen to know your profile. And apart from that, what you have done in the past, which university you opted, which program you opted.
Yes.
So without any more delay, please share the same.
Yes, I did graduation in 2018, and after that I have 6 year of gap, and then I apply for Master of Data Analytic program in Aligned International University, and I got I-20 from there, and within 4 months I got visa with the help of IBT Overseas, and yes, this is my all
this is your
experience.
profile. So I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Like BSc non-medical, having a subject of physics, chemistry, and maths, then going for all of a sudden MS in data analytics. This is entirely a different field, I would say.
Yes, sir.
There is no such kind of physics or chemistry. Yes, maths would be there, but not at that level.
Yes.
So क्या visa officer ने आपसे पूछा नहीं that why you are changing your profile?
Yes.
Why
they
all
ask-
of a sudden the different program, the different
Yes, they asked me
yes.
ki you studied in science field and why you suddenly choose
to go with this
IT
data,
sector.
IT sector.
So then I give them answer that their demand for data analytics is so much high in India.
Okay.
So after completing this degree, I will able to get job as a data analyst in the one of the top MNC of India,
Great.
and I will able to get 20 to 25 lakh annually.
Great.
So then they.
So Priya, let me tell you one thing very honestly.
Yes,
I have taken around more than 500 interviews in last couple of years.
Yes, sir.
So एक चीज ना सभी visa holders में common थी.
Yes, sir.
That
What?
was the knowledge and the confidence you guys own.
Yes, sir.
मैं कहता हूँ US वालों की परख बहुत strong है.
Yes, sir.
Normally people say the US visa is completely dependent on the luck. No,
No.
I disagree. The one who is deserving, the one who has a profile like Priya, the one who has this kind of communication skills, the personality she owns, she talks without any hesitation, and she
Yes,
has
sir.
the clear idea of what she is going to do and what she has.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you are knowledgeable, you have the vision of your profile, you know actually what is your future goal, then definitely you're going to get the visa. So US
Yes, sir.
वाले refuse नहीं करते हैं जब तक आपकी profile बहुत अच्छी है.
They asked me so many questions, and I will go give all the
You are
answers of
giving
that
answer
questions.
flawlessly for every
Yes, sir.
question. Wow, that's wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So without any delay, if you can share all the questions which were asked to you apart from this answer.
Okay. First of all, they asked me why you choose Master of Data Analytics. Then
This was the very first question.
yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Why
So
you?
there was no question for
First
the why.
question, yes. First question was which program you are going
So
for.
there was no question for why USA, why this university, nothing. They were very clear on
For which program you are
for which
going.
program you're going.
Then why this program?
Mhm.
Why Master of Data Analytics? Then they asked me when you completed your study.
Okay.
Then 2018 I was completed. Then they asked me what is your experience.
Okay.
After that I was worked as a website developer.
Okay.
Then
So that was for around
what
6-7
is your
years.
work as a website developer?
Okay.
Then I give them proper answer of that question.
I think he was able to make a kind of connection between your work experience and the future course of action.
Yes, yes.
So this is a kind of tip I'm going to give you all of the students. See, whatever you're going to do, it should not be clearly relevant with the previous study, but it should be clearly relevant with the past course of action. I would say your previous experience should have the match with the program
Yes.
you're taking.
Yes,
If
sir.
it is not, then you have to make that kind of match.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that is the way we can show the visa officer that this is my goal. I wanted to be in the field of IT. I worked in the field of IT,
Yes,
and
sir.
this is my goal to work in the same industry after getting the degree from this university.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to make my career in the same field.
Yes, sir.
Yahi connection. This is all about connecting the dots. If you are able to connect the dots in front of the visa officer, you are a good candidate.
Yes, sir.
So what was the next question?
So next question was about funds.
Okay.
Who is
Funding your
giving your
studies?
fund?
Okay.
So I told them my parents are sponsoring for my education
Okay.
with the total income that I told
And
them.
okay,
So
great.
what work your parents
What they
doing?
do.
Yes.
Okay.
So I told them my parents work, my father working as a industry professional, and
Okay.
my mother working as a Ayurvedic doctor.
Ayurvedic doctor. Oh wow, that's good. The doctor and the industrialist.
Yes.
Makes sense. That's wonderful.
Yes.
So
They just want to know how much funds I have in my
Okay.
accounts,
so what do you
my
say?
parents' account. So I told them I have total funds around 40 lakhs.
49.
Yes. Then they asked me, why should I give you visa?
Oh, straight question.
Yes.
So I think at that point of time, she would have made the mind to give you the visa. This was just a general question to test your
Yes,
IQ
yes.
that why would I give you the visa?
Yes.
So what was your
So I
answer?
told them I am goal-oriented person and receiving degree from world-class institution is one of my goal.
Okay.
So I deserve this visa.
Okay.
So then they
She was like,
approved.
Oh my
Then they
God.
approved. Immediately they
क्या
give
माहौल
approval.
था the moment she said your visa is approved? What was your reaction?
I was like, God bless you. Then I go
You
back.
said God bless you.
Yes.
My goodness. See, look at her confidence.
Yes, sir.
See, normally I meet so many students. Only the ones I'm talking about is the one refused one.
Yes, sir.
They don't have this kind of confidence. They
Because sir, I
they
believe in
hesitate to utter even a
destiny.
word. So I met many of the students. They were like, I was shivering in front of the window. Come on, yaar.
But I was not shivering,
You
sir.
are not shivering. They guys are very cool.
Yes, sir.
They are very cool.
Yes.
They make you very comfortable.
They
If
are also human beings.
No upload.
Yes,
They're
sir.
also the human beings.
Yes.
So प्रिया किसी एक बंदे को या किसी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को क्रेडिट देना चाहोगे आप इस वीजा के लिए अपार्ट फ्रॉम द इंस्टाग्राम यहाँ
First of all, I
से आपको
wanted
पता चला
to give all credit to God
to the God,
who make it happen.
the one who is running the show.
And second one is my family, of course.
family, of
And third one is IBT Overseas.
Thank you. ये सुनना चाहता था. Thank you so very much, but nothing like that.
Because
So-
family and God is first, you know.
Of course, he is
So-
the topmost authority.
Because of them, I reached here.
Of course.
Yes.
So, Priya, normally when we talk about Canada or Australia, people say Canada requires 30 lakh of like total budget to get the study visa.
Yes, sir.
For Australia, people say that we require to have at least around 22 lakh to get the visa because the insurance and the university fee and blah blah blah, so many things.
Yes, sir.
What about your profile? कितना पैसा लगा आपने to get this visa?
I just got my visa within 95,000.
Within 95,000. See, this is true.
I was not applied.
See, she has all the way been to Mumbai. I'm not adding the traveling expenses from Mumbai, coming and back,
Yes,
coming to
that is
back,
not
coming to Jalandhar. But honestly, 95,000 is the amount which gets you visa for United States of America. You want to try for once? Please come and join IBT Overseas.
Yes,
See,
sir.
the one thing which I'm really proud about my company is the honest guidance we
Yes,
provide to the
right.
students, is the work we do for the student. You know, one more thing. Now the students who are going for the next intake, summer intake, June intake,
Yes, sir.
we are holding one session with the ex-visa officer for the students.
Yes, sir.
Right? So ऐसे initiatives IBT Overseas कर रही है जिससे हम और connect कर सकें बच्चों को.
Yes.
मतलब the only one thing which is lacking in the students, especially in the North Indian, is like they lack in confidence. Knowledge है, सब कुछ है, but वो confidence नहीं आ रहा है. So just to boost that confidence, हम अभी कुछ session ex-visa officer के साथ करवा रहे हैं. That is one of the best thing which is going to happen at IBT Overseas.
Yes,
right?
sir. Right.
So do you want to give any? अच्छा, इतनी सारी बातें हो गई. So university आपकी कौन सी है?
Alliant International University.
Where it is?
It is in San Diego.
San Diego,
San Diego, California.
कहाँ से पता चला that I should go for this university? या और भी option थी हमारे पास क्या?
I have 3 more options.
3 more
But
option.
I got I-20 from Alliant. Then I
Alliance
choose
से
this
आपको I-20 मिली.
university.
So कहते हैं जी एक I-20 पे वीजा नहीं आता. See, she is the one who is breaking the rules.
Yes.
हम भी कहते हैं जी 2 I-20s होनी चाहिए, 3 होनी चाहिए,
Yeah.
but जो deserving है वो एक I-20 पे वीजा लेके आता. She got the visa on just 1 I-20. So that is from the Alliant International University. प्रिया जाते जाते you
Yes,
want
sir.
to give any tips to the students because you are the one who is successful today.
I just want to give one tip. If you have a destiny to go for any country, then came to IBT
Welcome to
Overseas
IBT.
because it's your visa is possible just because of IBT Overseas.
Apart from this, see, this is what you are praising IBT because you got the visa. I'm really thankful to
no.
you. My sincere gratitude to you.
I just
but I just want to ask, just to get the USA visa, any tips? Because you were there at the consulate Mumbai. You have seen the environment, everything. कुछ आप अपनी तरफ से कोई guidance
Okay.
देना चाहोगे? Because
For
ये
interview,
shows वो student देखते
for
हैं जो
interview.
exactly for an interview.
Okay. I just want to say only confidence matter. If you have confidence, nothing is impossible.
Wow. मतलब एक ही लाइन में कहानी खत्म.
Yes.
If you have the confidence, and this is what I truly say to all of you, जिनकी भी interview scheduled है, हजारों बच्चे तो IBT Overseas के हैं. Just watch this video very carefully because she has given the best tips, and that is be confident, nothing is impossible. So thanks for watching this video, and yes, if you want to go for the USA study visa, then IBT Overseas is there for you. You can make a call to us on 8677812345, or you can visit our offices, that is in Jalandhar, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Chandigarh, Patiala, Sangrur, and lastly Karnal. Thank you so very much for watching the video. God
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much, sir.
Thank you.